2/3 divide 2 equal what? Here I have fraction divide whole. When your divisor is whole, it means you wanna know the share of each whole in this fraction. If I have a fraction and I want to distribute it among two, what is the share of each one friend or one whole in this fraction? To solve it using modeling and tape diagram, I have to draw the first number, which is the dividend 2/3. So I'm going to draw this fraction. To draw 2/3, I need only one tape diagram or only one whole. Split it into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. And the color only 2. 1 and 2. This colored part is the part I have, which should be distributed among 2. It means I will break each part into 2 parts, and the share of each one will be only 1 piece. So let's cut it. This part will be split into 2 parts, and the share of each one will be like this part. And this 1/3 also will be split into 2 parts, and it will be, the share of each one will be only 1 piece. I don't have something here, but I will break it also into 2 parts, and there is nothing to share. I just break it to be able to write the proper fraction, or the fraction, the denominator of the fraction, and know how many parts will be down. So can you write the share of each one now? Can you write this fraction represented? Yes. How many colored parts you just colored? 1 and 2. So it will be 2 up and down. I will write the total parts of this whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it will be 6. So that the share of each one will be 2/3. Can you simplify it? Yes. 2 and 6 are 2 even numbers, so I can divide 2 up and divide 2 down. So let's say 2 divide 2, it will equal 1. Write it up. 6 divide 2, it will equal 3. So I'm going to write it down. So now I can say that my answer is 1/3. This is the simplest form. And 2/3 divide 2 equal 1/3. It means that the share of each one in this 2/3 is 1/3. Or I can also say that if I divide this fraction among 2 friends, each friend will have only 1/3.